In this video, I'll show you how to activate Facebook Professional Mode so you can access creator tools and grow your audience on your profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once your profile opens, look for the three dots next to the Edit Profile button and tap on it to open more profile options. In the menu that appears, scroll through the list until you find Turn on Professional Mode. Tap this option to continue. Facebook will then show you a page explaining the features of Professional Mode, such as insights, content tools, and the ability for more people to follow your profile. Read through the information and then tap Turn on to activate it. After a few seconds, Professional Mode will be enabled on your profile. Once it is activated, you will be able to access professional tools, see analytics about your posts, and allow more people to follow your content. You can continue posting normally while using these extra features to grow your presence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.